spa treatment sebab nanti kudis-kudis tu dia cepat baik. Dan kulit dia kurang kering. Kita kan kadang kalau nak tahu kering ke tak kering, baru kalau ada line putih maknanya kering. Tapi sejak kalau pakai Kowe Water Spa Treatment, kulit kita lagi moisture, dah makin tua dia lebih cepat kering. So kita memerlukan benda macam ni. So nanti nak try boleh? I'm doing promotion, okay?
Yes,
okay.
we have installed 48 units all around Sunway Lagoon, so you can actually try it out for yourselves, right? Thank you very much, Benita.
Thank you.
Any words from you, Miss DJ Sam? Anything you want to share with us? Final words?
About what?
Your message, perhaps, to our guests?
OK。希望所有嘅朋友可以喺三一嚟觀呢度玩得開心啲之餘咧，咁樣仲可以試一試呢個 Water Softener 啦，因為咧 Kowe 已經安裝咗48架嘅呢個 Water Softener 啦，係三一嚟觀 for 3 months 嘅，即係3個月裏邊，你喺度玩，你都可以沖到呢一個即係非常之神奇嘅水，你嘅皮膚咧就會懟咁樣啦。
唔該。And Miju, your message for our guests?
Okay, especially we are staying in the heart of the city, so we can't really get the pure and the good water. So I think we should have this, so that we should comfort ourselves with a good water.
Can I go to your house and try?
You have yourself. Okay. And I think you should try around here because you can actually feel the difference between the pool water and the water softener.
A taste of rejection. But anyhow, Ning, you started it. Please end it.
Okay. I think on behalf of everybody as well, we just want to thank the Kowe team. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity. Of course, Sam has been having it for a while of trying and really feeling the difference of the water. Lagipun kita bukan selalu menjaga kulit kita dengan sebaik mungkin. So, apa salahnya selepas anda bermandi-mandian di sini, datang menggunakan 46 unit di sini dan betul-betul rasai kehebatan Kowe Spa Water Softener. Memang dia sangat-sangat lembut untuk kulit anda, untuk anak-anak anda. Untuk hari tua, you have to think of your future. So, it's age gracefully, yes, you're right. Jadi, mulalah make a difference sekarang. As it says here, try it, you'll love it.
Thank you very much, ladies.